I wanted my software engineers to solve problems. I didn't care how many lines of code they wrote. That the technology will dislocate and will eliminate many tasks, and because it will automate it. If your job is the task, then you're very highly going to be disrupted. If your job's purpose includes certain tasks, then it is vital that you go learn how to use AI to automate those tasks. The purpose of your job and the tasks and the tools that you use to do your job are related, not the same. I've been doing my job for 33 years. I'm the longest running tech CEO in the world. I've been 34 years. And the tools that I've used to do my job has changed continuously in the last 34 years, and sometimes quite dramatically, over the course of a couple, 2-3 years. The number of software engineers at NVIDIA is going to grow, not decline. And the reason for that is because the purpose of a software engineer and the task of a software engineer for coding are related, not the same. I wanted my software engineers to solve problems. I didn't care how many lines of code they wrote, but their purpose of their job didn't change. Solving problems, working as a team, diagnosing problems, evaluating the result, looking for new problems to solve, innovation, connecting dots. None of that stuff is going to go away. I believe that the definition of coding as of today is simply specification, and maybe if you want to be rather directive, you could even give it an architecture of the software that you wanted to write. So the question is, how many people could do that? Describe a specification for a computer to go, telling the computer what to go build. How many people? I think we just went from 30 million to probably 1 billion. If we were to hire a new college graduate today, and I have a choice between two, one that is no clue what AI is, and one that is expert in using AI, I would hire the one who's expert in using AI. If I had an accountant, a marketing person, the one that is expert in using AI, supply chain, customer service, a salesperson, business development, a lawyer, I would hire the one who is expert in using AI. If you're a carpenter, if you're electrician, go use AI. Go see what it can do to transform your current job. Elevate yourself. If I were a farmer, I would absolutely use AI. If I were a pharmacist, I would use AI. I want to see what it could do to elevate my job, so that I could be the innovator to revolutionize this industry myself.